Well, it's been a good week for United. The performance against Liverpool, the win in Belgrade, but that will count for little unless the Reds get a positive result in Norfolk today. And they are breaking up that right-hand side. Pukki waits in the centre. Curling opportunity over the top. What a great chance it was for Cantwell. On his right foot, he had a bit more time than United would have wanted.
Oh,
Pereira again has ridden the challenge. Rashford, Martial, danger here. Back to Rashford. Rashford, terrific save by Krul. Andreas Pereira, 20th minute. It's chested on and somehow kept off the line quite magnificently. Unbelievable from Krul, point-blank range. It seemed impossible for that save. Pereira again, deeper this time. Headed out as far as Daniel James. Pereira wants it. Here he is. No one's picked him up. Pereira. Oh, no one could get a touch. And that effort is brilliantly struck. What a magnificent strike. Scott McTominay scores, and that is Manchester United's 2000th Premier League goal. Scott McTominay into the bottom corner. Wonderful strike. It's a bit short. Martial and Rashford, when they link up, it really is dangerous. And here they go again. Martial, James is in. James goes down. No penalty. Well, VAR will take a look at it.
I mean, that is just blatant. He got nowhere near the ball.
VAR says penalty, and VAR has got that exactly right.
Thank you.
Why Stuart Atwell didn't give it, I've no idea.
Well done, David Coote.
Rashford, saved by Krul to his right-hand side.
It wasn't a great penalty.
And here is Martial. United looking a real threat going forward. James, oh Rashford, he can make up for his error here. Rashford, brilliant, no mistake. Marcus Rashford's 50th goal for Manchester United. Great control, and what a finish. He puts the penalty miss to the back of his mind and puts Manchester United in complete command. And it goes, and away by Krul, only as far as Fred. Oh, if there's a bit of handball about that, you know. If there was a bit of handball about that, it's worth a check. It looked to me as though it was charged down with his arm, Fred's effort. A second penalty and a half,
wow.
A second VAR penalty, Cantwell handball. Martial is another save from Krul. Manchester United have missed 2 penalties in this first half. That's Aaron's. In goes Young, does well, and now Rashford. Martial. Rashford wouldn't quite run for him. Rashford, brilliant. Martial's in.
Yes.
That'll seal it. What about the interplay? Rashford and Martial. It was like Cole and York at peak. Fabulous finish. Maguire. Lindelof. David De Gea was jealously protecting a clean sheet, but McTominay has lost possession here, and Hernandez can have a run at Lindelof. Hernandez still going and scores, and Manchester United will be furious. A consolation for Norwich City. Well, away wins are like London buses, are they? You don't see one for 7 months, and then you get 2 in 3 days. Norwich 1, Manchester United 3.